Hello YouTubers. This video is a small demo on how to monitor connection status. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It is possible to monitor the status of the connection via system events. There are two of them, 140,000 connection established, 140,001 connection disconnected. Unfortunately, Basic Panels does not support events for system events. So if you want to generate message or some graphics on the status of the connection, there is a workaround. Let's get started. Open text and graphic lists and create new text list. Create two entries. One entry text is connection lost. Another entry text is connection restored. Make connection lost entry as default entry. Switch to the graphic lists and create new one. Make two entries, first one for lost connection, second one for restored connection. Add some graphics for each entry. Make entry that represents lost connection as default. Next, open tags table and create an integer type PLC tag. Next, open your screen. Drag and drop symbolic IO field on it. Assign text list and process tag. Format text. Next, drag and drop graphic IO field onto the screen. Assign graphic list and process tag. Now, what does this setup means? Each time when connection is lost, text list and graphic list will show default entry. After connection is restored, PLC tag will contain some value that control the entry of the text list and graphic list. Let's test the application. At the moment there is active connection to the PLC, text IO field and graphic IO field represented. Now I will pull out the Ethernet cable. As you can see, connection is lost. Text IO field and graphic IO field show corresponding entries. I will plug in cable back. Connection is restored. Text IO field and graphic IO field show corresponding entries. That is how you can monitor and signal status of the connection between Basic Panel and the PLC. If this video was helpful, please do not forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and happy coding.